Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by getting a reliable auto clicker and confirming permissions. Once downloaded, install and run as administrator so input hooks work. Next, pick the click type you need, left, right, or double, and decide on position mode. Absolute for fixed coordinates, relative for window-based clicks. Make sure to save any preset immediately. After that, open the settings panel so you can move on to timing, hotkeys, and target selection without interruption. Once done with basic setup, configure timing and target selection carefully. Set the interval in milliseconds or seconds and enable slight randomization of 0–10% to reduce pattern detection. Then define the click target, fixed coordinates for static buttons, window relative for app UIs, or follow cursor when interacting across the screen. Make sure to lock the target to avoid drift. Also assign start/stop hotkeys and save profiles for different jobs, so you can switch quickly without reconfiguring each time. You're ready to run a controlled test. Start with a short session and watch the clicks to confirm accuracy. Don't leave it unattended until you're confident. Monitor the target application and system load so you can stop immediately if something misfires. When finished, use the stop hotkey and restore normal input focus. If clicks miss or distort, try relocking coordinates, increase interval slightly, run the clicker as admin, or ensure the target window is active. That single troubleshooting step solves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.